What is up, everybody? How is everybody doing? You already should know how it go. It is your boy B back with another video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. I'm somebody that has been phone flipping since 2014. I have done it all, been through it a lot. I don't like to complain. I used to be a complainer. I don't like to complain. I don't like to dwell in the past. I use my past as a lesson, but also as a motivator, right? So if you're watching this video and you're going through anything, I just want to say, like, that pain, it hurt right now. It hurt. It really hurt. But we're going to use that pain and we're going to actually put it towards something that's going to make us better, right? We're going to turn into a monster. We're going to turn into a beast. We're going to make sure that everything that we go through, whether it is something that we feel like we can't bounce back from, we're gonna make sure that we put that energy, because energy is never ever just gonna go away. It has to be transferred, right? We're gonna transfer that energy into something that is going to help benefit us, whether it's you going to the gym, whether it's you working on your business, whether it is you learning how to do another skill. Don't ever sit there and think that the world is gonna stop because you're going through something. All right, I don't know who needed to hear that, but it was just on my heart, okay? But we're here talking about the Phone Flipping Academy. Now, y'all know I rarely do any type of video about the academy. I don't. But this is requested actually, and that was surprising to me. I had a few people hit me up in the DM asking me what the academy is going to do for them. And I want to actually sit down and talk to you guys about that. The academy, I want to really dig deep into it, but I also want to tell you guys something, and I try to be as transparent, right? I know some of you guys probably hate when I talk, or some of you guys do like it, but it all has value. Phone flipping academies, I've seen a lot of them throughout my time, on this platform, and I'm gonna be completely honest. I think that all phone flipping academies were very similar, and that pissed me off, that the value I could be giving somebody could be compared to what the next person may be giving, right? And I already know that, see, the difference between me and the next person, I'm not talking about a single person. I'm talking about the way my mindset works is me and the next person are nowhere near equal. Now let me tell you why. Because when I said that I'm an educated hustler, I meant it. And I don't really say educated hustler because it sounds cool. I've slept under cars. I've been dead broke. I've had a car that stopped at every red light that I stopped at, and I had to get out and jump it. I've been to Applebee's, Chili's, and all of these restaurants trying to do business meetings with people to get them to believe in me. I've met with a whole bunch of people in their houses, in their basements. I've done a lot of things. And I didn't do all of that stuff and come this far to be compared to anybody, right? So I took my Phone Flipping Academy a little bit more serious. And what I did was, I included a course, of course, a video course that teaches you, one, okay, hey, what is phone flipping? Two, okay, now you know what phone flipping is. Now, how do you obtain the phones? What platforms do you want to start on? To start with, see, because a lot of people don't know the platforms to start with. See, a lot of individuals will tell you, hey, OfferUp is for rookies, or OfferUp is for people that don't know what they're doing, and all you should do is pay for your ads. Now let me explain to you something. In my Phone Flipping Academy, I'm gonna teach you that paying for ads, that's the last step, because you need to know how to transform your leads into conversions, which means when you get somebody to click on that ad and say, hey, I got a iPhone blah 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 to sell, you need to know how to make that blah 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 work. You need to know, okay, you got an iPhone 13 Pro Max, cool, I'm gonna pay you this. You need to know how to tell them the direct offer, how to override the objection they may give you, and then you need to know how to quickly meet with them so that no competition can steal them. That will make your money go longer, more than you just sitting there watching a video, going to your computer, putting up an ad that you're paying your hard money for, and then getting people to click on it, and you not knowing why nobody wants to sell you their phone, or you being upset because they're telling you no, or you being upset because nobody's clicking on your ads and you're sitting here stuck with a bill that didn't even get you or generate anything. So I show you that in this academy. And I also tell you, hey, this is what to look out for. I've been scammed. I've been scammed plenty of times. Recently, my last time being scammed was buying those fake iPhone 15 Pro Maxes. It cost me around $6,500. I just got robbed on Sunday. So I know a whole bunch of ways, and I didn't get robbed because of phone flipping, but still, I know a lot of different things that can help you, right? Because everything that I've been through, I try to put in that academy so you don't have to go through it. Now, you're gonna go through situations that may hurt you, of course, because it takes some type of pain to build character. It takes pain to build purpose. It takes mistakes to build and make sure you don't do the things that you don't want to do to lose the money that you want to keep. It does. It takes that, right? So I'm not in any way saying that I'm going to stop you or prevent you from taking or making any type of mistakes or having any failure, but I do show you ways to decrease that from happening. I show you how to look up IMEIs, and I show you the best website to look up IMEIs. I'm talking about to look up when they purchased it, look up if they have Apple Care, look up if it's blacklisted, look up if the carrier was ever on notice for them having a finance phone. I'm also telling you, hey, listen, this is how you unlock, because you can unlock phones with the IMEI searcher that I use too. So I teach you all that in the Phone Flipping Academy. But when it comes to those teachings and those courses and the worksheets that I give you, because I give you the advanced phone flipping checklist, I teach you how to negotiate, I teach you how to override objections and all that, right? That's cool. I teach you everything from A to Z on how to get these phones. But let's really dig deep on what happens after that, because that's where a lot of the Phone Flipping Academies stop. I'm gonna tell you why they stop. They stop because guess what? If I provide the customer with basic information, I can actually get money, I can get some profit and not have to deal with them later. That's what a lot of people seem to think. And I'm sorry, but I gotta keep it 100. A lot of people get into these academies or these courses and they're dealing with people that just want to take your money, give you the bare minimum so you can keep coming back to watch their video. Now, I do want you to watch my videos. I try to make my videos unique. I try to go and make videos on what's on my spirit, but also what's trending, of course. But it's all about making sure that you can sit at the table that I sit at, and we can come and we can build together. That's mine, right? So after the courses, you also get the option if you want to have a 30-minute phone call with me. Now you have that 30-minute phone call. Trust me, that phone call isn't me stalling or me just listening to you and saying, oh, okay. No, I'm excited to get on this phone call because I'm meeting somebody new. I'm meeting somebody that may be in a different state than me. I'm meeting somebody that may have different desires than me, somebody that may want something different than me, bringing them together. You're then going to get an invite into the private community, and you have unlimited access to being able to ask me questions, being able to really talk to people that are doing this on a daily basis. And that's what the Phone Flipping Academy brings you, a lifetime connection. See, it's not about paying $111 to watch videos, because I'm sorry, but like I had to make a video about this because I see so many people doing it and so many people upset because they're buying these courses and they're not getting anything from it. Your money holds value. You hold value. You right there, you hold value. So don't ever let your value go unnoticed, but also don't ever invest in something that's not bringing you a connection. I've done it before. And I'll be damned if I let the people that I have a community with and have a bond with to do it. So if you guys get that Phone Flipping Academy, just understand that's what you're going to be getting. You're getting a network, you're getting a connection, and you're getting something that's going to help you through every step of the way of being a phone flipper. Because being a phone flipper by yourself is lonely. It's difficult to do it by yourself because you're going to have different things that change all the time. Trust me, all the time, and you want to stay up to date. So that's what the Phone Flipping Academy is, y'all. You can get it at imastermindset.com. And guess what, guys? Right now, it's only $111. All of my products are priced fairly because, again, I want to keep money in your pocket so that you can use it for profit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. I love you. And I'll see you guys at the top because it's too crowded at the bottom. Peace.